So I woke up in the morning and I iced my face. I took a big bowl, I put a lot of ice in it and a lot of water, and I dipped my face into it. It was intense. It is really painful, but I think it's the best thing that you can do to your skin because it really wakes you up. And I'm a person who wakes up with like a bloatfish face. I'm always puffy. Even at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I have like puffy eyes, puffy face. It's just very annoying. So that is something that really helps me. I'm going to start with sunscreen. This is Dot & Key sunscreen. This is the best sunscreen I've ever used. This is so lightweight. So this is how I put sunscreen. I put a lot of it on my hand. I rub it and then I just dab. Okay, one tip, you should always take your rings off because it'll hurt you on your face. So yeah, do that. Always, this is one tip that my mom gave me, I think when I was like 7-8 years old, because I was doing like this one day and she's like, ऐसे नहीं करते हैं, ऐसे आपकी skin नीचे sag होने लगेगी. It's always upwards, always upwards. So that has always stayed with me. So anytime I see someone else doing this, I'm also like, ऐसे नहीं करते, upwards, upwards. And always remember your neck. I saw a meme the other day where this woman is like fully really pretty from here and all of this is like wrinkled and tanned because people always forget their neck. So always the neck as well. I'm not a beauty guru or anything. I'm ऐसे tips से बड़े-बड़े दे रही हूँ, वैसे मुझे बड़ा पता है. So yeah, always the neck. This is it. This is my first step. And then I go, there's a sunscreen for lips as well, guys. I recently discovered it and it's awesome. This is Alana. It has SPF 40 and it also comes with like a tint and it's lip glossy and it looks really nice. So I'm always wearing this and it's also like sun protection. It's crazy. So I put a little bit of this before my makeup. And another tip that I got was that wear sunscreen half an hour before you get out because it takes at least half an hour for the sunscreen to start working. So yeah, so this is what I do before my makeup, and also then I go into my moisturizer. Iska naam I don't know how to pronounce. So this is really good. This is actually my 3rd bottle. This is an amazing. This is my makeup artist suggested, and I've seen a lot of makeup artists use this. It's amazing. So again, the same thing. You rub it on your palms, and then you blend it because this is not how you want to look without moisturizer. I don't know what my skin type is. Sometimes it's dry, sometimes it's oily. I think it's a combination. I grew up with a lot of acne on my face, which is why you will still see a little spots. I still get acne. We are supposed to get acne. I'm 24, so yeah, we should get acne. But yeah, I grew up with a lot of acne, even around my body. So I have like really sensitive skin. I woke up with like dry skin on my nose. So it's just, every day is a different day for my skin. It really depends on how my skin is feeling every day. And then my skin routine and everything changes according to how my skin feels. Okay, that's it. This is my skin prep. I think now we can get into my makeup. Okay, about makeup now. I was a child actor. I started acting when I was 4 years old. So I've always been in the makeup chair. I've always had other people do makeup for me. Like, I don't think I was 4 and I got makeup done. Like around 7, 8, little makeup was always required. So I think I'm passionate about makeup. I feel like if I was not an actor, I would have been a makeup artist. I own a lot of makeup. I have like 6 big pouches of makeup and I don't use them because there's always somebody else doing my makeup for me. And another very like double standard thing is that I don't do makeup also. So I have a lot of makeup and I barely put it. So it's just lying there and I can't even give it away because I love it. I love owning makeup. So yeah, that's what it is. Okay, anyway, so I will start with concealer. Okay, my day-to-day look actually is very basic. Like I said, I barely do any makeup. So usually if I have to go to a meeting or an audition, I would just probably put a little concealer, a little blush. I'll curl my eyelashes and I'm good to go. But when sometimes I feel, you know, I have time, I can do something more, and I can make use of all the makeup that I have and not let my money go to waste, I do a little elaborative makeup, which I will do for you today. So I start with concealer. I put a little here under my eyes and here. Yeah, that's it. And then I blend it off. Good. Oh, this is an amazing brush. It's PAC ka brush. It's 221, and I think I use it for everything, even for blush, even for concealer, for foundation, sometimes for even eyeshadow. It's a very well constructed brush. I feel like I can do anything with it. But like I said, I like buying stuff, so I need to use other brushes. I'm like, nahi, aur baki ki bhi use kar ehsaas. So yeah, this is what I do on my nose. My nose is a little dry today, so it's going to be thoda patchy. I don't know, I woke up with dry skin around my nose and I'm like, aaj hi aana tha. It's literally that hota hai na ki wo, whenever like you have like a big day or you have to go out or there's a red carpet or there's a party or there's something really important the other day, you will find either a pimple on your face or dry skin patch randomly on your face, and you're always like, aaj hi hona tha. So yeah, this is what I do with my concealer. Sometimes I'm just like this and I put some powder and I'm just good to go. But I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to go into my foundation. Okay, this is Fenty Beauty. This my makeup artist gifted because like I said, I had a lot of acne, so my dermatologist said that I can't use oil-based foundations. So I was on a hunt for a water-based foundation, and this apparently is a water-based foundation. And she gifted this to me, and it's actually quite good because it blends really well, it stays, it's long-lasting, and it's not giving me any pimples. So I put a little bit on my palette situation. And then I will actually take the same brush and I will go a little on my face. I'll go all around it. Actually, like I said, I've grown up doing makeup, but I remember the first time I ever got like a proper glam makeup was by my mother. She literally sat me down and she did my makeup for me. I think I was around seven years old, and she put kajal for me, she put liner for me, all the and I by then I did not have my own makeup, so I remember I used to use her makeup for the longest time, till I was like 14, 15. I used to use her makeup. We used to share one. That's not healthy, guys. You shouldn't do that actually, ideally. But I used to use her makeup for auditions and stuff. And it was really cute. So I actually owned my own makeup around 16. My own little makeup kit. A pink makeup kit, I remember. I mean, it's still pink, but... So yeah. And she's the one who's actually properly taught me makeup. Ki kajal kaise lagate hain, liner kaise lagate hain, foundation kaise lagate hain. And then obviously I've gotten tips from several makeup artists that I've worked with. And I've been actually very lucky with all the makeup artists I've worked with because all of them are so nice and so loving. But right now, the makeup artist that who's my soulmate makeup artist is called Ritika. She's amazing. She's also a very good friend. So shout out to her. She's the one who gives me the best tips. And yesterday when I was supposed to come for this, I was freaking out. I was calling her. I'm like, karna kya hota hai? Kaise karungi? Ye kaise karte hain? Wo kaise karte hain? She's like, you wing it. You do whatever you want. Just don't do a wing liner because you're going to make a mess out of yourself. तुम बेसिक करा के आओगे तो keep it basic, yeah? Let's keep it basic. Let's not do like a big thing out of it. So I'm like, okay, basic रखते हैं. Oh yeah, sorry. This is my beauty blender. You're supposed to wet it and then you're going. I love this. I love this part of it. When you wet it and it's what? Fugod? I don't know what's the word. It's like really, it's so spongy. It's the best thing. Sometimes I don't even use it, but like I'm just like, I just want to feel that. And yeah, I'm weird like that, but this is, yeah, you know what I mean. So, but I think one very good tip is that once you're like completely done with your makeup, you're supposed to like dab your face with a wet sponge a little bit, so that, I don't know, it settles the makeup down and it gives you a different glow. It's magic. It's a trick that I've really not put logic into, but it genuinely works. Okay, I don't know what do we do next? We do this. We do powder. Okay, this is e.l.f. ka Perfect Finish HD powder. It looks like this. So basically, it's just like a transparent white powder. Oh, did you see that? I see this happening in like videos, and I'm so fascinated. I can't believe I'm doing this today because I've seen this. Like I said, I've grown up watching these videos, and I'm so happy that I'm doing this today. I'm really nervous also. So yeah. So you do this a little bit. I actually like a little glow. I don't like the matty face. So I put very less powder. Yeah. I think I did a good job. Yeah? No? Okay. We'll find out. Next thing that I do is, okay, I'm not going to brag about it, but I'm also going to brag about it that I have really good eyebrows. I don't really need to do them. I just brush them off and I'm good to go. I have a slight cut here though, so I just fill that up. But I really don't like those like really dark, thick eyebrows which go from here. I look very weird when that happens. I mean, Ritika knows this very well, but when there's another makeup artist doing this, I have to like stop them and tell them, "Kid, don't go here." Like I forget sometimes. I'm sitting in my own zone and then they go, I'm like, ah, nahi, yahan se nahi, yahan se. So that is one thing that is my only note to every makeup artist, to not start my eyebrows from here because I look very weird. Anyway, so I brush them. And that's it. I'm done with my brows, but I'll still cover this a little bit with a dark black eyeshadow, and yeah, that's it. That's my eyebrows. Easy peasy. Okay, now I think I'm going to do a little bit of an eyeshadow today. I usually don't do it, but today I'm feeling it. This is a Tom Ford eyeshadow. It's really nice and expensive. Yeah, I'm not subtle about it at all. Okay, don't expect me to be. Yeah, so I go a little bit. It's ruined from inside. I'm not going to show you the halat of it because you all will judge me. It's just terrible. So I'm just gonna take one shade. I'm gonna put it on my. Again, I have so many brushes, but I still use my fingers for eyeshadow. It's uncanny. I don't know what to do about myself. So I just go a little here. I'm wearing a pretty white dress today, so I feel like a little shimmer never hurt nobody. So we can do a little shims. And yeah, that's it. Okay, you have to blend it. Yeah, see, that's it. And then we don't take thoda extra. We just put that only on the other eye. Yeah, I'm not going to do anything else. Oh, you know what? I'm going to do this. 1 second. Can somebody open this for me? Oh, yeah. Sorry, I'm really sorry. Yeah. Oh, great. Thank you. Again, I don't do any liner if it's a day-to-day look, or if I'm going for a meeting or an audition. As long as the audition asks for it, I don't do it. So I usually just go with a kajal and lift my eye and I put some kajal. Okay, I have really sensitive eyes. Even if like something touches my eye or even a little bit, they start watering. Today is our lucky day because it's not happened yet. Okay, I'm just gonna take this. I think it just gives definition to your eyes if you put a little around here above, but that's it. This is all I'm going to do. Okay, now the favorite part about my entire makeup routine is the eyelash curling part. I feel like if I not do anything else to my eyes and I just curl them and I put a little mascara, I am set and I'm good to go, because this is the best invention ever made, because it just lifts your eyes and it just gives you a different look. You become a different person. So I go and I lift my eye. You know what my trick is, and I don't recommend anyone doing this. It's wrong, it's a crime, but I can do this even in a moving car. Yeah, but that's my talent. Okay, you don't necessarily have it, so you don't do it. You might end up with no lashes at all. So anyway, I can do this, and it's very, very funny when you do this around men, because they freak out. They're like, oh, ye kya kar rahi hai, pagal ye, and then I go and do more. It's crazy, it's hilarious, and I don't know one man in the world who does not get freaked out about it, except the makeup artist. Everybody else, I'm just like, and it's so weird. Like I'm talking, and I'm like, ha, yeah, and do this, and they're like, what are you doing? This is so creepy. Look. It just elevates the entire look, and I love how my lashes look. So this is it. I can just go on with my day. And one thing that my makeup artist and I do, Ritika and I do, just वो tuning इतना अच्छा बैठ गया है हमारे बीच में. So like when she's curling my eyelash, and she's the only person who's allowed to curl my eyelashes because I trust her. So when she's curling my eyelashes, all she says is and I say which means ki, are you okay? Is your skin okay? Is your skin not like pinching? And I'm like, yeah. Okay, this is it. This is my eyelashes, and then I'll put a little bit of mascara. This is Maybelline ka mascara. I always use a water resistant mascara and not a waterproof one, because I feel like waterproof one are a little difficult to remove, and every time I'm like trying to take them off, I have like one eyelash on my cotton pad, which I really don't like. So I always go for a water resistant one. And you're not supposed to cry or anything when you're wearing makeup. I'm like, hai na? No, I mean, even if you cry, you will have it. But that is something that you just have to deal with. I mean, that is something that I deal with. But you know what? The funny thing is that I'm talking about waterproof, nahi use karna chahiye, ye wo, and this is actually a waterproof mascara. I don't know where it came from, but this is a waterproof mascara. So chalo koi nahi. Today, I will be secure, and we will figure out when we have to take the makeup off. So Rare Beauty has just launched, and the funny part is that before it was announced that it's launching in India, I had a friend going to the US, and I made her pick up a couple of stuff from Rare Beauty. And then when she came back, she gave it to me. The next day, it got announced that it's coming to India. I'm like, okay, theek hai, understood. So anyway, so this she got, and I've never used it actually. This is probably the first time I'm going to use it. So I was going through my makeup yesterday. I was curating my kit. I'm like, I think this is a good occasion to use Rare Beauty today. I have grown up watching Selena Gomez, and I love her. Everything that she does. I remember when I was in school, I used to listen to all her songs. I used to have her posters. Anytime I saw her on a newspaper, I used to cut it out, put it on my scrapbook. I was that crazy about her. And when she came up with this brand, I was really, really excited to use it. So I watched way too many videos to know that this is super pigmented. You're not supposed to use this a normal amount. You're supposed to use like very little of it, probably this much. So I'm gonna go, yeah, see, it's already so pigmented. I don't know how I'm going to look. I'm going to look like an orange. So yeah, now we blend it. We blend it with this brush. Okay, wish me luck, I'm scared. Huh, not bad. It's still very pigmented. Can you believe that? ये तो चलेगा अभी और 10-15 साल क्योंकि अगर ऐसे यूज करेंगे तो खत्म ही नहीं होगा. But good strategy. I think she's very she's thought of you know, makeup, budget friendly makeup where people don't have to buy her same products again and again. They can just, this is very sustainable like that. I love it. Okay, this is it. This is what I do. No, wait, blend this a little more. Yeah. Sometimes I do like to blushes. Like this is like a very peachy orangey blush, which is here. And sometimes I go with another blush here. So I'm going to use another blush. This also, you don't have NARS in India yet. So I got, like, this is actually a birthday gift. I really wanted a NARS का something. I'm like, तुम जा रहे हो तो तुम कुछ तो लेके आओ. NARS का होना चाहिए. बस मेरे को मेरी किट में NARS दिखना चाहिए. Yeah, I'm that kind of person. So I put a little on the cap only because I saw this. I saw somebody else doing this and I was very fascinated by it. There's no logic to it, but I get influenced by people very easily. So I saw somebody else do this and I've also been doing this. So I go here with the NARS a little. Yeah, I'm very blushy today, but that's alright. I'm wearing a white dress and I've seen people do a lot of blush and I think it's trending. A lot of blush on your face and on your nose is a thing and it looks really nice. It gives you like this really plumpy, cute, full look, which I really like. Okay, this is it. This is my makeup and I'm going to put a little lipstick now and then we're good to go. Okay, this is my favorite lip pencil. It's from MAC. It's called Soar. Soar. This is called Soar. It's really natural and they look really good on my lips. Yeah, sometimes I just do this. I put a lip balm and I'm good to go. But I'm going to put a little bit of pinkish tint because we have pink, corally cheeks today. So we're going to go for pink lips, lip tint, and then a lip oil. This is again a very proud purchase. It's the Dior Lip Glow Oil. It's fantastic. I love it. I barely use it because it's so like valuable. So I barely use it, but I'm using it today. That's it. This is my makeup look. This is how I look. I'll probably open my hair, my frizzy hair today. I'll wear my rings again. We're done with the makeup. So we wear the rings again. Yeah. This is it! I'm so happy! Did I do a good job?
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.